Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Pup. Alright, today we're doing Italian sausages, smoked Italian sausages. Alright, I got the smoker on high. Alright, right now the temperature's reading 333. And she's going to go up to all the way to like the 500 degrees. Alright, there are the pellets right there. I'm using two combinations of different types of pellets. Alright, and I got the probe in it, my own probe, but there are probes here that I can install, but I'd rather use my own Synergy thermostat, thermometer. Alright, and I'm going to let this cook and see how long it takes to cook and get on with my eats. Alright, so stay tuned, be right back. Alright, the sausages cooked to 165 degrees internally, and if you can see, I cut it. You can see the smoke ring, and right around it here, and it looks so delicious. All right, and she is juicy. She's juicy, as you can see. All right, so the proof is in the pudding. Let's give it a taste. I am going to cook my sausages like this from now on because this is freaking delicious. Oh, you get a little hint of the smoke and this, all the seasonings that's in the sausage, and it's moist, and the outside is very nice, very nice. Not crunchy, but not soft. It's just right. Well, oh. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell, tell your friends and family at cookingwithchefpup.com. All right, you can at cookingwithchefpup.com into Google search, and if you see this ugly mug, it's me. All right, Cooking with Chef Pup. All right, I will see y'all guys on the next video.